Welcome to the Business Analysis Management Capstone Overview. We'll discuss 5 different topics. What is a capstone project? What is the Business Analysis Capstone Project? What is a Business Analysis Approach Plan? What are Business Analysis Management Group assignments? And review the Business Analysis Management Group capstone documents. So what is a capstone project? Simply put, it's the accumulation of assignments that serves as an intellectual experience for students. It's a accumulation of learning outcomes in a degree program. The original definition of a capstone focused on the actual stone placed at the top of a wall or a building, marking the successful completion of the structure. Here, the wall is the program, with each course having partial piece of a stone, the capstone wall, and we complete the final stone on the top of the wall in the final course. What is the Business Analysis Management Capstone? Simply put, the Business Analysis Management Capstone Project is a process in which students work through each course, a reference to an individual stone, each course having its individual learning outcomes. As a group, students examine a case study. In this program, our case study is Properties for You. It is Michigan's largest diversified property group. Properties for You develops, owns, and manages 500 retail centers, apartment buildings, business parks, logistics centers, and office buildings within large metropolitan and regional centers. Properties for You has a large team in the finance department managing multiple systems and databases and uses complex Excel spreadsheets to produce multiple levels of financial reporting across the group. Reporting often takes weeks, is easily prone to error, and the spreadsheets are becoming unstable and wildly. In addition, reporting formats and the ability to access data are no longer meeting the needs of the various stakeholders who rely on this information to make business decisions on a daily basis and to compile reports for the external stakeholders. You, as a business analyst, working with your group, will build a business analysis approach plan, a plan that captures all of the business analyst knowledge areas we have studied through this program, and we will be finished when the project completes with the final course and we demonstrate our knowledge to put the last stone on top of the wall, and the project is then complete. So what is the Business Analysis Approach Plan? The Business Analysis Approach Plan defines a document that captures and creates methods that will be used while performing business analysis activities throughout a project in this program. Each course covers the outputs produced from the previous course and the groundwork for the tasks in each of the current course knowledge areas. The Group Business Analysis Approach Plan defines the timeline of the projects, what and when tasks will be performed, and what deliverables are expected throughout this program. You will see that Business Analysis Approach Plan follows the course material from beginning to end. So what are Business Analysis Management Group assignments? Learning and working effectively as part of a team or group is an extremely important skill and one that you will refine and use throughout your working life. Group projects should be among the most valuable and rewarding learning experiences. For many students, however, they can be among the most frustrating. When you work as a group on a project or assignment, you have the opportunity to draw on the different strengths of groups of members to produce a more extensive and higher quality project or assignment than you could complete on your own. To do this effectively, you need to learn group work skills, which are an extremely important part of the professional development. In most professions, people are required to work in multidisciplinary project teams or teams with responsibility for a specific task. Many professional organizations, employer groups stress the importance of interpersonal and group skills, such as communication, negotiation, problem solving, and teamwork. These skills can be important as your project and subject knowledge areas, enabling you to be an effective professional. At times, in my experience, I think it may even be the most important. I have seen some very smart, intelligent, and skilled individuals being let go as a result of not being a team player. So, in this business analysis management program, students must be proactive, work with the team, and I have been told in some student journals Often they say they dislike group projects because they don't want their grade being held hostage by someone else's effort or lack thereof, or because they've had the experience of having to do other people's work for them previously. As a business analysis professional and leaders, we must all demonstrate group work competency. Those that do not help the group in gathering those stones and building that wall may not receive the highest of scores. In reference to documents, there are many business analysis documents required in this course. Each course has a homework assignment, group PowerPoint assignment, group capstone assignment, quizzes, and of course reading material. With all that said, this program is not difficult to comprehend and pass with a very high grade. What it does take is time management to complete your assignments and reading all of the many student journals. Many students report that they do not schedule a time to complete assignments when they are due, or they wait until the last minute. That creates stress and many times a poor assignment outcome. Don't let any of this scare you, as 98% of the students pass this program with a very high grade.